Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a password strength tester. So first of all you'll need to import password input here. If you don't already have this module on board, you're going to have to install it through pip. Okay, so I've created a function and now I'm going to create a variable called password and assign it to password input dot password input. Okay, and then I'm going to do a prompt to assign that and tell the user to enter password. So that's the prompt. And we're going to blank out the characters on here, and we do that by doing mask, and then we assign it to some asterisks here. Right, first of all, we're going to start off. Let's bring that a bit bigger there. So, if len, here, this is the len function, the length of the password, we're going to check it for length here, is less than 5 characters. I'm going to print a message to the user, print password not long enough. So password not long enough, and then we'll just restart the program again. We'll just go back to the top, strength tester. Right, now what we're going to do here, tester. Okay, we're going to use the elif phrase. So elif. We've got another condition here. Password dot is alphanumeric. So if it's all alphanumeric characters, so what we're going to do is we're going to print a message all letters not allowed. So we can't have all letters there. Now we're going to do another conditional statement, elif password dot is digit. We're going to print a message to the user, print all numbers not allowed. And we're going back up to the strength tester. And I forgot to do this one here, strength test. Okay, so we've got that so far, and now, so if it's all numbers, then we go straight back to start again. And now we're just going to finish with the final else here, print password strong enough. I'm going to create another function here called save password. and we're going to type in the password here. So password. Okay, I'm going to create another function down here. Let's just pull this up here, called save password. I'm going to enter in the password here. So we'll get the password that we've entered, if it's a good password, that is, of course. I'm going to create saved password. This is going to be a list. So we're going to create a list called save password, and this is where we're going to enter the password into, insert it into, and we do that with saved password dot append password. Okay, so it's saved in that list now, and what we want to do is we want to print it out from that list. So print saved password. Okay, now all we have to do is run the program, so we have to call it to run it, so we call it strength tester. Okay, let's save it. Let's run the program. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. So let's just enter just all lowercase letters. So all letters not allowed. So let's do all numbers. All numbers not allowed. So let's do So we're going to test for the length here. So let's just do 2. Okay, password not long enough. Okay, so we're going to do some letters, some numbers, like that. So that should be okay. Okay, password strong enough, and it's printed out our password here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button below, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.